Welcome back to another Motel Coach training video. Today we're going to be using GuestPoint Property Management System, and we're going to be talking about a rate restriction in revenue management called Closed to Departure, or CTD. Closed to Departure, or CTD. What does it mean? Let's look on the 7th of November. If we've activated CTD, it means that a guest can't book a reservation checking out on that date. They can, however, book a reservation checking out on the 8th. They can also book a reservation checking in on the 7th and out on the 8th. So it doesn't stop them booking the 7th, it stops them checking out. It's a tool used to control the bookings that you accept, and it can also be a tool that you can control when your housekeepers are busy and when they're quiet. For example, if we do a really basic scenario where our motel does CTD for the whole property every Sunday, it means that I'm not rostering housekeepers on to work on the Sunday. If there are any rooms that I need to clean on my own, it's only a small motel, maybe I'll clean them as well. So it's saving housekeeping wages on the penalty Sunday rates. Now that we've gone through Closed to Departure, have a think about how you would utilize it as the revenue manager for your property. Now that we've gone through Closed to Departure as a strategy, let's have a look at how we would implement it in GuestPoint PMS. We click Management, Setup, Dynamic Rates and Online Inventory, and then we can do one of two options. So once we've clicked CTD, we can then go into the day that we want and we can close that day for departure. Alternatively, we can also do it as a bulk rate update. So we click Bulk Rate Update. We select the dates that we want. We want 30th to the 31st. We're going to select all types for this one. We scroll down and we're going to click Close to Departure on, and then we're going to apply changes. When you're applying changes in this window manually, once you've clicked Close to Depart, make sure you save the changes. That's everything for the video today. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking to get into motel management, or you want to level up your existing skills, check out the links in the description below.